Welcome to my channel. Why is Spectrum Wi-Fi so slow? Easy speed fixes. Step 1. Restart your router. Turn off your Spectrum modem and router for about 60 seconds, then turn the modem back on first. Once it's fully connected, power on the router. This quick restart clears temporary network issues and often improves Wi-Fi speed. Step 2. Move the router. Place your router in an open, central area of your home. Keep it away from thick walls, metal objects, and electronic devices that can block or weaken the Wi-Fi signal. Step 3. Reduce connected devices. Too many devices connected at once can slow your network. Disconnect devices you're not using so your active devices get more bandwidth and better performance. Step 4. Use 5 GHz Wi-Fi. If your router offers both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, connect nearby devices to the 5 GHz band. It provides faster speeds and is better for streaming, gaming, and video calls. Step 5. Check for outages. Sometimes slow Wi-Fi is caused by a service outage in your area. Check Spectrum's service status before changing your settings to see if the issue is outside your home. Step 6. Update router firmware. Install the latest firmware for your router whenever an update is available. Firmware updates improve performance, fix bugs, and help your Wi-Fi run more smoothly. Step 7. Pause downloads. Large downloads, cloud backups, and automatic updates can use a lot of your internet speed. Pause them while you're streaming, gaming, or attending online meetings. Step 8. Secure your Wi-Fi. Use a strong Wi-Fi password to keep unknown users off your network. Fewer unauthorized connections mean more speed and a safer internet connection. Step 9. Run a speed test. Test your internet speed while connected close to the router. If the speed is much lower than your plan, restart your equipment or contact your internet provider. Step 10. Reset the router. If your Wi-Fi is still slow, perform a factory reset and set up the router again. If the router is old, upgrading to a newer model can provide faster and more reliable Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.